day, gentlemen and ladies, probably, or I say good morning, good afternoon, and good evening wherever you are hearing me from. So about the FC300, the dashboard was removed and the wire harness was worked upon. So eventually, or at the end of the day, the Land Cruiser 300 has been completed. The dashboard has been installed successfully. As you can see, the dashboard has been installed successfully, and everything has been put back to place. Everything has been put back to place on the Land Cruiser. So, and Land Cruiser is ready for delivery. The Land Cruiser is ready. It's ready for delivery. And just to on the ignition. The ignition is on now. So everything, Land Cruisers are ready. The audio system, navigation system, all are in good shape now. Land Cruiser VXR FC300. So this side and this area have not been completed before, but now everything is now successfully completed. And can start the vehicle. And so let's try to start the vehicle. You can see the vehicle is already starting now, and the engine is running now. The engine is running. Okay, thank you very much for watching. Please try to subscribe to my channel for more videos on vehicles, about vehicles, latest vehicles, informations about latest vehicles, technology improvement on latest vehicles. Subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you can receive more of this. Thank you very much. Bye for now.